I know you've been wondering how to list your items on Facebook, or maybe you have a Facebook account, but you don't know how to list your items so you can sell them on the Facebook Marketplace. Here you are in the right place, because I'm going to be showing you how to list your items in the Facebook Marketplace so you can get clients for your iPhones and whatever you're trying to resell. Make sure you pay attention on how I'm going to do it. It's just easy, and it's just going to take you like few minutes. All right, so what we want to click on right now is Facebook. So as you can see, this is the marketplace. This is the place where different items are being sold. And like, this is my Facebook page actually. But what we want to do is, we want to go straight to marketplace. And then on the top left corner, you can see sell. So you're going to click on sell. And then you can see create listing. So this is where we put what we want to sell on the platform. So you're gonna click create listing. So we are creating a new listing, and this is just one item. We are not selling a vehicle, we are not selling a property, we are not selling a sale event. We're just selling one item, which is an iPhone. So we're gonna click one item, and it's gonna bring us here. So if we come here, we're gonna click the plus. And then this is the iPhone that I want to sell. This is the iPhone. So I just clicked on 2 photos. So right now I'm going to be typing iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm going to be selling it for $16,000. So it's a mobile phone, so we're gonna leave it to that, the categories, so Facebook knows where to place it. And the condition of the phone, it's a used phone, but it's like new. It's close to new, so we're gonna click used like new. And then we're gonna write the stats of the phone here, because it's important to list what the phone is about and what's working and what's not working. So the phone battery is 100%. So we're gonna write that. And then the phone is 156 gigabytes. And we're gonna write that. So the Face ID of the phone is not working. So we're gonna be using an emoji or not working. Let me see. Okay, so that's gonna be okay. And then what next? The battery, the Face ID, 156 gigabytes. Okay, so you would want to list that so the phone buyer knows what he is getting into. And now we're coming down here, auto reply available messages, more details about your listing. This doesn't matter because we've written the brand, and here the buyer can see the color, so it doesn't really matter. Hide from friends, list in more places, additional listing options. So I think we are okay for now. So at least the buyer now knows what he or she is getting into and the status of the phone. So we're gonna click on publish on the top right corner. And our listing is publishing, and we're gonna give it some few seconds, and it's gonna be right there on the Facebook Marketplace. So it's in review, and as you can see, active one, our listing is here. And yeah, so this is our listing, and we're good to go. So it's now on the Facebook Marketplace. That's it. Okay, that was it for the video. And if you like the video and if it creates a lot of impact and a lot of knowledge in you, make sure you subscribe. It's a short video, but I'm gonna be doing way more longer videos on how to do stuff and how to resell stuff. So make sure you click the subscribe button and then just touch the notification bell for more content like this. Peace.